Hey gang, it's Amy here with another Imperfect Foods unboxing. Oh my gosh, gotta find out what's inside this box. Okay, it's a kind of small box still because I'm a very busy girl. Don't have time to do that much cooking. So it's been a lot of raw food eating, not cooking, like salads and stuff. Let's see what we got though. Always paper. Makes for a great cat toy though. Boom! And of course there she went chasing after it. So we got a couple really big red peppers. Yum, 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 yum. Then we have, now I will get these confused because one's kind of shiny, one's kind of fuzzy. I got both nectarines and peaches. Let's see. These are nectarines. Ooh, they're shiny. Then, moving to the country, gonna eat a lot of peaches. That's still a nectarine. Moving to the country, gonna eat me a lot of peaches. Not moving to the country. Still in Chicago. Let's see what else we got. We've got these cute little pink lady apples. They are literally like the best freaking apples that you can get. Pretty darn tasty. Throw them in your backpack. You got a little snack. Okay, we got some super not ripe avocados, but you know what we're gonna do with those? Wait for it. I'm gonna take some of that paper. This is not the same paper that I threw on the floor just now as the cat toy. Gonna put them in here. Cover them up, and like a day or two, they will be perfectly ripe and it will be awesome for avocado toast. That's right. Get a cucumber. I'm gonna take that red pepper, some chickpeas, this cucumber, some pasta, and this blue cheese. And make me like a kind of Greek salad only instead of feta. I got me some blue cheese crumbles here. That's right. And then finally, got the cold pack here. They actually take those back, but I always forget to put mine out. Anyway, portobello mushrooms. Grill those up. If you want to start, I don't know, cooking imperfectly, leave a comment. I will, drop you a little code, get some money off those first few boxes. And until then, keep cooking ugly.